Have you ever wondered how the solid objects around you are held together? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Enter the intriguing realm of condensed matter physics, which delves into the properties of matter in its condensed phases, like solids and liquids. This is where the exciting world of condensed matter physics comes into play. It might sound complex, but let's break it down. Imagine atoms and molecules as small building blocks. When they interact, they form larger systems, much like how bricks form a wall. This leads to the formation of solids and liquids, which we call condensed matter. The way these blocks arrange themselves, their atomic and molecular structures, play a pivotal role in this process. So the way atoms and molecules interact determines the physical properties of matter we see around us. Now, you might be wondering, why does this matter? Well, here's why. Condensed matter physics is the cornerstone of many modern technologies. It's integral to electronics, as it helps us understand how semiconductors, conductors, and insulators function. This field also illuminates material science, guiding the creation of new materials with unique properties. By unraveling the complexities of condensed matter, we're able to push the boundaries of innovation, paving the way for future technologies. Without condensed matter physics, we wouldn't have many of the technologies we use every day. So let's sum up what we've learned. We've explored condensed matter physics, seen how it elucidates the traits of solids and liquids, and touched on its pivotal role in technology. Next time you use your smartphone or laptop, remember the condensed matter physics that makes it all possible.